working hard on top of the 240, but we need a break. So we're gonna head down to SoCal and meet up with Alyssa and Kahlil. We actually got invited to go to San Jose Wekfest with Karuma. Taylor messaged us and asked us if we wanted to show with them, and it's a super good opportunity, so we're gonna try to make it. So this weekend we're gonna go hang out with Alyssa, Kahlil, and then maybe check out Street Faction. We're not too sure yet, but we'll take you guys along if we do. But yeah, we're heading down to SoCal right now.
It's locked.
No way. It locked the key inside?
You have any keys?
I have any keys. You have, oh, we have this key.
Yeah, we'll just wait for 2 minutes. Yeah. So we can just talk. Hey, don't you love 90s engineering? Right. I remember the first time I found that out, I was like, what?
It was recently too that we found that out, huh?
Oh, you can see what the lights are.
I didn't even notice the strip.
So we're eating lunch right now at Fish King, I think it is, but we're gonna try out the poke and some sushi. We heard a lot of good stuff about this place, so the salmon one, try that out. We recently just started liking salmon. This is the dynamite. I'm assuming it's like spicy ahi.
The cracker firecracker roll. Tiger roll.
Pretty good.
Tastes like spicy ahi.
There it is.
What are you trying?
This is the tiger roll, I think.
Is that the one that I got?
Yep. We just had lunch and now we're at Portals. Gonna get some pastries? Yeah?
Cheese roll, you think?
Yeah. So we're on our way right now to Street Faction. We're gonna meet up with Alyssa and Kahlil. They're on their way right now too. I'm pretty excited to meet up with these people because we've been online friends for a minute now, but we've been longtime customers as well. So it's pretty exciting to see like what their business is and how they grew it and stuff like that. But I don't know what activities we have in store for today, but we'll bring it along. Oh man. No, she loves it. I'm telling you, she loves to be dangerous. Look at this. That's super sick. He's gonna come back and be like, let's get a grind. Actually, yeah, if you think about it, 30 miles per hour like this, that seems nuts, right? Guess where we are at, guys?
Street Faction.
Street Faction. It's crazy to see this car in person because I've seen it all over Instagram, especially Renee's car too. This is so sick.
Too cold, bro. What you doing?
Apparently it's too dark, but these are street fashion.
Candles.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I felt that one, yeah.
I'll do that.
Can go. Yeah. Okay, ready and action.
What's up, guys? You're watching Disney Channel.
Who is this? I don't know who this guy is. I don't know who this guy is.
What's up, guys? My name's Kahlil. You're watching Disney Channel.
Yeah.
It's our chance to see a skunk.
Are these pom-pom bushes?
Is that what they're called?
I thought it was legit.
Oh, sorry. No way. Oh man.
I don't even. Where's he looking?
Yeah, where's?
So all of a sudden he has good eyes now, huh?
Oh, it's right
I swear to God, if he gets sprayed, I'm leaving.
Oh,
from here.
did it?
I see the
Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I see it.
tail moving.
And we all smell like skunk tomorrow at the Karuma meet. Yeah.
Literally, as soon as you pulled off, I looked to the left, I looked to the right, I was like, that's a freaking skunk.
That one's not too big though.
No
No, that one's not
way.
big at all.
Oh my God.
It was a skunk.
Goodbye, skunk. Jesus. Skunk.
I thought you were joking when you said you saw a skunk.
It was in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
At first I thought you said, "Oh, do you want to see a stunt?" And I was like, "What kind of stunt? You gonna do this in your car?" Manifest, Kahlil.
Manifesting.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town. And I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking light a cartridge blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Holy crap.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down in 20, plenty left to move behind you. You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone.
It is the one where they have ice creams. It was?
So we just finished the Karuma week. We met Taylor and Audrey and a bunch of the other people from Karuma. So we're excited for next weekend. We're gonna see them up in the Bay Area for wekfest.
Yeah, so we gotta go back and prep and get the car ready because everybody's excited and we are too. But you know, we gotta get it done. We gotta make sure we be there. So after dinner, I think we're gonna head back. Just drive all night.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when
Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. We're super stoked. We met a lot of people this trip in a very short amount of time. Matt and Tao and Renee and everybody over at Street Faction are super cool. The meet that we went to was actually last minute. We kind of extended our trip an extra day just to go to it, which worked out perfect because like we said in the beginning of the video, we're actually gonna go show with Karuma next week, but we were able to meet him a week before at their meet, so it just worked out perfectly. You know, everything just went according to plan. So we're on our way back up right now to Northern California so that way we can go ahead and finish up the car. Christine got about a week or so and I still got to go to work, so there's a bunch of missions that we got to bust out right now. But like we said in the beginning, like it's a very good opportunity to get the car out there in the public and stuff like that. So I hope you guys are excited for what's to come. Thank you guys so much for supporting what we do. Again, if you guys want to cop some merch to support the channel, make sure you guys hit the description. There's a link to the website. And again guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Peace out and stay good.
I just waste